How to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing on iPhone. Hello everybody, my name is Jitin and you watch Expert Tech, and this video very helpful for you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. So first of all, open the Instagram app and go your profile, and you can see three dot line. Click here and go setting option and go help option, and you can see report a problem. Click here and check phone to report a problem. Turn off and report a problem. Click and write
the Instagram Messenger update not showing and I please fix this issue. And
next option. Click here and send report. Close. And this is exactly method how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing. I hope guys this video helpful for you. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.